I love goofing around.
There's my book. I've been looking for it for age. Another day at this stupid school. I wonder if I get better grades this time. Please,
Yes, I was
just doing that. Get up and time to go to class. I am still mentally stable. If you look at the board, you can see like different languages. Just gotta write this down. Ooh, gotta write this down. Ooh. Who the hell is throwing that paper at me? You wanted to see me? You failed, and now I shall kill you. No. Oh, see ya. No, please, please, please. You flunked my class, and now I shall kill you. The end. Oh my god, I actually love class, huh? Please, please. This is what you'll end up like when I kill you. No, 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 no. Is it real? This is me. Oh my god, it's staring at me.
So just behave.
Don't mess with me and my home into the hall.
That girl Abby, she failed her class.
I'm okay.
Oh, hello. Yay.
And oh my god, a library!
Gotcha. So I just love blah. Why are you doing this, please?
Just making rumors about Claire being Abby. It's so funny. Yeah. Right, so yeah, we don't open that door. Yeah. Oh yeah, look, it's Alice. We don't really look out there. Really? Lock her in.
The stupid twinks. They threw me downstairs. You failed. Time to kill you.
No, 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 no.
Here, where the hell did you go?
You failed.
I think that book could stop me.
You failed your class. Kill you.
No! Dang it, I'm cornered. Look, where does she think she's going? Ah!
Please, please. Oh, I'll give you
No! Oh. I'm stronger. Furry mode.
Run. So what the hell? How about in this room? What happened? Dead.
Exit? Yes!
No! I escaped. Huh? Wrong room.
Backward.
Oh my gosh, I'm so good at that.
Should get out of here while I still have a chance. Go!
So that's why I know it's so preppy. No. What just happened? Move.
It's it, Oliver. What are you doing?